Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Universal Studios Hollywood. Before we begin, we ask you to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This will reach out more viewers like you. Also, if you are new here or like our content, we consider you to subscribe and ring that notification bell for more content like this. Thank you. Okay, new Maze announcement at Universal Studios Hollywood for their Halloween event. It's called Monstruos 2, The Nightmare of Latin America. Let me apologize if I said Monstruos wrong. And this will take place in Latin America with Latin American monsters in the maze. And it's going to be in the, I believe, the lower lot for the maze for the event. And yeah, thank you for watching. Share this video to someone who needs to know about this, and take care.